In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to your Amazon account, whether it's for receiving payments, requesting refunds, or managing your Amazon store card. We'll cover the general process for Amazon Pay, Amazon Seller Central, and for handling your store card. Linking your bank account is a crucial step to ensure seamless transactions and account management on the platform. Let's start with Amazon Pay or Amazon Seller Central. First, you'll want to log into your account. If you're navigating Seller Central, begin by accessing your account dashboard. Look for the Settings or Account Info section. This is your gateway to managing many aspects of your account, including your bank information. In this section, you should see an option labeled Deposit Methods or Bank Account Information. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll be given the choice to add a new bank account or replace an existing one. Choose the option that matches your needs. Once you've decided whether you're adding or replacing, it's time to provide the required details. It's crucial to ensure accuracy. Here, enter your bank account number, your routing number, and make sure the account holder's name exactly matches the one on your bank statement. Incorrect details could lead to transaction errors or delays. After you've entered everything correctly, you'll typically need to go through a verification process. Amazon may initiate a small test deposit into your account just to verify its authenticity. Keep an eye on your bank statements or online account for this test deposit, as you'll need to confirm receiving it with Amazon to complete the verification process. Once everything is confirmed, don't forget to set this account as your preferred deposit method so all your Amazon transactions will be linked correctly moving forward. Now, let's look at managing your Amazon store card. Begin at your Amazon account page and select your account. Navigate to the Payments or Payment Methods section where you'll find options related to your store card. Depending on your specific card, you may need to link your account with Synchrony Bank as they handle the Amazon store card services. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to link your Synchrony Bank account or to manage the details of your Amazon store card. The steps here might vary depending on the specific requirements of the bank, but the process is generally straightforward. Be sure to double-check all entered information for accuracy to avoid any issues down the line. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your bank account linkages on Amazon, enhancing your ability to manage finances seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're an Amazon seller or a loyal shopper, these straightforward steps will ensure smooth transactions, payments, and refunds. Thanks for watching, and feel free to come back and review these instructions anytime you need a refresher.